Hey guys, super simple. This is how we made 700K last year with no investment. We do this with you and for you, and it helps tremendously if you already have your own users, volume, data, subscribers, or whatever form of large volume of people you have. This is for you. So for every transaction done on the Abato platform, you get 50% of all commissions. The website says 10, but because we've been doing it for so long and generating substantial volume, so you'll get the same deal. This means that every transaction a person does on the platform, for example, one volume traded of BTC or any market, you get 50% of that commission volume, which is an average of $10 per one volume. That is huge amounts of money. Now, how do they start trading consistently and constantly? We've built a trading system that produces 5 to 7 trading signals per hour multiplied by 20 plus markets to enable traders to be profitable long term. This is a huge win-win for both of us and your clientele. They use the systems and trade long term, and we collect half of the commissions volume with you. Let's get started right away. The possibilities are endless. Can you imagine getting users up to 1 million transactions per day? That's hundreds of millions of dollars per month in profit for all of us. We will help you every step of the way. Start now, contact us, and let's get set up right away to create the most ideal structure for you. This is at no cost, and we only make money from profits. Contact us now. Let's go.